Hello from SQL School. We are a premier training institute providing the best training services with 100% practical, job-oriented approach. Our Microsoft SQL Server TSQL course is an excellent training program useful for data analysts, business analysts, data scientists, BI developers, data engineers, and database developers. It is suitable for both beginners and experienced professionals. The course covers SQL basics, T-SQL queries, query writing, remote queries, normal forms, stored procedures, user-defined functions, database design, joins, CTEs, triggers, transactions, query tuning, execution plans, indexes, Azure SQL database development, cloud migrations, XML, blob, JSON, and more. Hands-on training includes mock tests, real-time case studies, and a real-time project in a banking domain. Practice material, certification, resume, and interview guidance are also provided. Call us on 19544081 or visit www.sqlschool.com for more details. Free demo.